Hello everyone, Andrew here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get subscribers, likes and views for free on a daily basis. I also have another video reviewing another site on how to get YouTube subscribers for free and fast, so be sure to check out also this video. Now, before we get into today's review, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also I wanted to thank everyone in advance for watching this video or any video from my channel. Now, the site is called SubMeNow and submenow.com. Of course, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description of this video, and if you sign up, I'd appreciate if you used my referral link. Just hit this button here, SubMeNow, enter your first name, email address and your YouTube channel ID, which is this part of your URL, okay? You copy this, paste it here and hit sign up or sign in my case. Wait just a second. Okay, that's the dashboard. And this is the statistics from your channel, your videos. And here in this, sorry about that. In this option you can choose if you want to promote one particular video or if you will let this site to choose random videos from your YouTube channel, just like I do. And there are two ways you can get subscribers, views and likes, paid ways. There are three types of accounts: bronze, silver and gold. The bronze one costs $24 per month and you will get automatically 15 to 20 subscribers per day, 7 to 15 likes and 15 to 100 views once a day, automatic. Silver account, you will get 30 to 35 subscribers, 15 to 30 likes and 30 to 150 views. And the gold upgrade, for $95 per month, you will get 60 to 75 subscribers, 30 to 60 subscribers and 60 to 250 views per day automatically. Of course, there is also the free version, which it also has three options: 5 minutes per day, 10 minutes per day and 20 minutes per day. So this is your currency for free use. Time is your currency. And I've been using this one and this one. So here how it works. You hit here, click here. For better experience, do not recommend browser full screen. Just press OK. Wait just a second. And this is how it works. Just click this button here, watch, like and subscribe. This window will appear. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, wait until the counter here. Do not close this window. Okay. And then you hit this button, you click this button here, verify. That's it. Wait a second, and 3%. Now, in today's video, I chose the third option, which takes 20 minutes, and you have to watch 80 videos. You have to like 80 videos and subscribe to 80 channels. In return, you will get half of each of that. Now, this takes 20 minutes. Of course, I'm not gonna do it right now, but let me show you some results. Let's go back to my channel. Your videos, to my channel analytics. Subscribers. So I've been using SubMeNow for a couple of days. And let's see, 9 subscribers, 19 subscribers and 8 subscribers for yesterday. Okay, so I won't get 40 subscribers exactly, because probably some of them will fall, but it doesn't matter. It only takes 20 minutes, it's free, and you will absolutely get subscribers on a daily basis. So that's it. You can also refer friends. You can find your referral link on your dashboard here, refer program, and you will get 1 reward point for every time someone joins under your referral link. And then you can convert those points to views, or you can accumulate them until you can upgrade your account. So this is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave any comment down below. Like I said, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Thank you again for watching the video, and yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers.